What's up everyone? Have you ever buy tobacco or plant it by yourself just like me and then process it until it become smokable? At first you smoke it and it tastes awesome. But after few days or few weeks, the taste become bitter and it's terrible. At first I confused by it, but after some research and some experiment, I found the reason and the solution also. I will share it to you. The reason is because your tobacco is too dry, just like the tobacco in this video. When we touch it, it's like it's going to break. Just like cigar, when the cigar becomes too dry, it will taste bitter. Anyway, I made this cigar by myself. You can check the video on my channel. So, the solution for dry tobacco is to increase the humidity by using sprayer. Easy, right? We just have to spray the tobacco using a clean water and then it's gonna fix the problem. Anyway, don't spray it too much. Make sure that it's not wet, just humid. After we spray it, let it sit for about 1 day to make sure that the water and the tobacco mix together. If it is still too humid, you just have to dry it again. You just have to open the jar and let it evaporate by itself. Don't put the tobacco in the microwave or under the sun. Just put it in the room temperature and it will dry. But make sure it's not too dry. After all of that, close the jar tightly so the water will be trapped in there so the tobacco will not become too dry again. Hope it's useful for you. Thank you very much. See you later.